one tiny tweak and discipline goes from sometimes to on demand. And there's really two places when you're trading that I have seen traders consistently lose discipline, which leads them to not achieving their trading goals, never achieving consistent profitability, never scaling up, all those types of things. The first one is doing the simple steps that actually help them develop an edge and create a mechanical trading plan and study the content, study the mindset, and do those tedious pieces at the start of their journey that help them build that proper foundation. And that's the first place a trader can lack discipline that has a direct negative consequence on their trading and their ability to be consistently profitable traders. So one of the most important things that I encourage every single one of my traders to do is to identify a deeply meaningful why. And there are some traders that come into trading and they are just here to try and make a little bit of money really quick. And when you strip it back and you ask them, why are you trading? Their reason is to just come into the market, gamble a little bit and make a little bit of money. And these are the traders that consistently attract the opposite. In fact, they end up losing a lot of money in a very slow and painful way. So those traders don't have a deeply meaningful why. Whereas I've also seen some traders who come into the markets and they're so connected with being a consistently profitable trader because of how important it is to build them a new life, build them and their family a new life. And they have such a deep, meaningful reason why that no matter what happens to them in the journey, no matter what they're faced with, they have discipline to persevere and they keep going and they keep pushing. And I've seen that consistent. So everybody has a mission, everybody has a purpose, and you want to connect with that and you want to see how trading helps fulfill that mission and that purpose. And right now you may just be going through high school or uni and studying, and you want to see how trading and the action steps that help you become a consistently profitable trader, even if it's just the meta skills of showing up every day and being dedicated to something that's difficult, actually help you fulfill that mission. Some of you may be later in life working a 9-to-5 job and about to start your family, and you have a different purpose, you're at a different stage of your life. But no matter where or what stage you're at, you want to figure out how trading helps fulfill that mission, and more specifically how the specific action steps you're going to be dedicated to every day as a trader, showing up, executing, adhering to your plan, how they help you in whatever you're dedicated to. And if you have a deeply meaningful reason why, you're not going to have any issues with discipline. The reason traders have issues with discipline is because in terms of showing up to the market and doing the action steps that are conducive to becoming a consistently profitable trader, the reason why traders have issues doing that is because they don't have a deeply meaningful why. They don't have a deep reason why they're trading in the first place. And really, the value on trading isn't great enough for those days that they come to the market and they don't feel like doing it. The pain of doing the work exceeds that and they don't do the work. Whereas if your value on trading and the reason why is strong enough, irrespective of how you feel that day, you get shit done. Now, the second place where traders struggle with discipline is the discipline to stick to their trading plan and their inability to stick to their trading plan. And a lot of traders end up labeling themselves undisciplined individuals or an undisciplined person because they can't stick to their trading plan. Now, over the last 5 or so years, as I've been doing one-on-one consultations with traders and consulting for traders, one of the most common issues is this ability to stick to their trading plan. And traders come up to me and they say, Pat, there's something wrong with me. I'm broken and my mindset is broken and I'm a undisciplined person. And I stop them and I say, hold on, Hold on. Let's dig a little bit here and let's figure out what's actually going on. As opposed to labeling yourself, let's understand why you're deviating from your plan and you don't have discipline to stick to your trading plan. And there are consistent things that pop up. I get a trader to get present in a moment, they weren't sticking to their trading plan and they didn't have discipline in that moment. And I asked them, what advantage did you get from deviating from your trading plan in that moment? What benefit did you get? Because no human being moves a muscle without a motive. And every action we take, every decision we make, there's motive built into it. Meaning we get more advantage than disadvantage to doing that action, otherwise we wouldn't do it. So I get them to get present in that moment. They're having a lapse in discipline, as they call it. And I asked them, what advantage did you have to not sticking to your trading plan? What benefit did you get from that? And there are consistent answers that showed up. Firstly, one of the most consistent ones is traders are stuck in this state of anxiety after taking a loss. And they feel like they're on the back foot. And they feel like they've undone a little bit of hard work. And they're getting back into the market immediately after they take a loss, irrespective of whether the market's presented an opportunity or not, because they perceive in their mind at that time that's the only way they're able to alleviate that state of anxiety and that pain they're in, feeling like they're in the back foot. So the benefit a trader gets from deviating from their trading plan in that specific moment, in that context, is they have this temporary and short-term alleviation of this anxiety of they have to now sit with this idea that they're in drawdown or that they've taken a loss for the day and they're down for the day. The other consistent reason that traders deviate from their trading plan, don't stick to their trading plan, is because they're bored and they've got nothing to do for the day. And they just feel like they've got nothing else to do and they're wanting a little quick fix of adrenaline and dopamine, so they go into the market and they trade irrespective of whether the market presents an opportunity for their plan or not. They just trade, they get into the market. So that's another reason why traders deviate from their trading plan. And so when I get traders to see that they're not deviating from their trading plan, or they're not lacking discipline for zero reason, there's a specific motive why they have a lack of discipline in that moment. And when they see that, I say, okay, now we need to plan alternative actions that you can do when you've taken a loss to help you deal with that anxiety that doesn't involve you jumping back into the market. So you can be patient and you can wait for an opportunity to align with your plan before you get back in the market. So they have an alternative strategy to dealing with that anxiety without having to get back into the market. And also, I help them structure their life so they have other inspiring things outside of the market. So when the market isn't presenting opportunities, they don't feel this need to have to get into the market. They don't feel this need to have to trade the market. But they can sit and wait patiently for opportunities. So your lack of discipline, i.e. your inability to stick to your trading plan, is not random. It's not because there's something wrong with you or because you are an undisciplined individual. That's not the case one bit. The truth is you have motive to breaking your trading plan, otherwise you wouldn't do it. And when you can uncover what I refer to as unconscious motives in that moment are, and you can see the reason, the deep unconscious reason why you're breaking your trading plan, usually to alleviate an unwanted state that you're in that point in time, whether it's boredom, whether it's fear, whether it's anxiety, whether it's feelings of like you're on the back foot or in drawdown. When you can uncover what those unconscious motives are, and you can put alternative strategies in place to deal with those, getting those benefits without having to trade the markets when the market isn't presenting an opportunity, what you do is you stabilize your psychology and you stabilize your trading, and you put yourself in the best position to just wait for opportunities. And these are the traders who have disciplined on demand. These are the traders who have figured out the times they're vulnerable to breaking their trading plan and have put alternative strategies in place to be able to manage those times and manage those situations so they're not vulnerable to over trading or taking trades outside of the plan when the market doesn't present an opportunity. And yeah, it's a little bit of meticulous work, and yeah, it's a little bit of self-awareness and uncovering why you're acting the way you're acting, and that takes a little bit of effort, no doubt. But in my opinion, the pain of putting in that work and that effort is the better pain to be pursuing, as opposed to the pain of just constantly taking trades outside of your plan and getting stuck in a cycle and getting nowhere with your trading. So it's your choice of which pain you take. Now traders, I've developed a tool called the Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset tool. It's trusted by 6,000 traders all around the world, 92 countries around the world now. And this tool I designed to help traders have more discipline, meaning have the ability to stick to their trading plan. So they're not run by their emotions, they're not run by fear and greed, they're not run by anxiety and boredom, but rather they can stick to their trading plan because they have a replicable process that they can do before they trade. Every single time before they trade, they've got a process that they can execute on that adheres them to their trading plan. Now, this tool is completely free. I give it to the trading community for free as my contribution. If you don't already have that, make sure you go into the description below and the first comment below and you download that tool and you use it before every single trade you take for the next month. And I want you to let me know, report back to me what type of an impact implementing that tool for a month has had on your trading. Traders who've done that have consistently reported back lowered emotional trading, sticking to their trading plan, building consistent profitability as a result, being able to scale up effortless and past funding challenges, being able to get payouts without stress, and being able to sustain their success. It's a very powerful tool if you use it, and I encourage you, if you want discipline on demand, to implement what I've covered in this video and to implement that tool before every trade. Now traders, if you got value from this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Cheers.